Eating vegan can be healthy for you, but it can also be difficult because you need to learn how to properly get that nutrition. Then eating raw vegan can be even healthier, but also even more difficult because you need to learn what foods you can eat raw and what to combine them with and how to make it taste good. Well, don't worry, we're going to get a healthy helping of Chef Cristy's vegan plant-based cafe that has options for everyone. And now for my favorite part, where we get to taste all of the delicious food that Chef Cristy has made for us. Cristy, tell me, what do we have in front of us today?
Well, we have this one is called raw spinach wrap.
Raw spinach wrap. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's everything raw, 100% vegan.
A lot of people don't necessarily know what raw vegan means. What does that entail?
The spinach wrap is being dehydrated. It's like packed full of spinach and flaxseed. So I like it because it doesn't cook and kill all the nutrients.
So the reason that someone would want to eat raw vegan is because they want to maintain as much of the nutrients as possible.
Exactly, yeah.
Right.
That's one of the reasons. And you don't lose the taste of the food that is fresh.
Right.
The natural state of the food.
Yeah, so this wrap, even though it looks like it's been cooked, it's not. It's been pressed and dehydrated so that it has more nutrients than your average wrap. It tastes so full of flavor. A lot of people have had spinach wraps, and they're usually just, dyed green pretty much. But this tastes like rich spinach. It's almost like a salad as the wrap. And then the pesto inside is absolutely delicious, and like you said, it feels so light. It doesn't feel heavy and like sticky like a lot of flour-based wraps are.
Exactly, yeah.
And what else do we have with us here?
And this one is a almond and cassava.
So this is just like a pizza, but it's made out of, you said almond, cassava.
Cassava.
And then what is on top?
And is a napate. Yeah, napate because it's made of walnuts.
Well, I'm gonna get a bite of that. And while I do, this is probably the star of the show and probably what started it all for you. So tell us about the desserts and how that came to be.
Yeah, the desserts. Well, we have there the cinnamon rolls and key lime pie, velvet rolls, key lime roll. So all desserts are vegan, organic.
Thank you for sharing not just some time with us here today, but all of this hard work that you've done to create creations that didn't exist until you made them. And they're delicious, and they're really encouraging people to be healthy and prove to people that eating healthy can taste great.
Oh, well, thank you so much for inviting me.
Sure.
And think about it. Yes, I really appreciate.
Yes, of course. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Hunter.